with me, and we are going to be doing the Poppets Choose Our Makeup. Dun dun dun! Dun, 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 dun. So Layla is going to choose a Poppet out of here, out of our Poppet bucket, and I am going to do her makeup based on the colors of the Poppet.
And what if I get this one? My makeup will be green for my whole entire life.
So let's get started.
Yeah. The
Blindfold. Dun dun dun. Okay, Layla.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sit down right there, and I'm gonna mix them up.
I'm not ready yet.
You craziness.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
No Grinch. I hate Grinch.
You want that one?
Yes.
You got Christmas. You got a Christmas tree.
Wait.
You almost picked the Grinch.
You mean one,
Mr. Grinch. Okay, Lila, let's get ready with your makeup. Okay, we're ready.
Look. Look at me.
Dude.
Oh, God.
Stop! Okay. Okay. Because I am very good at this,
No,
we're going to start with the foundation. So we're just going to put it on the beauty blender. And I'm going to start with her forehead.
It's cold.
We're going to start going this way with this.
Looks like I have 0 eyebrows.
And like boom, boom, beep, 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 beep. Oh my gosh. We're gonna
Please don't get it in my hair.
I won't. I'll just dab, 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 dab,
Ow!
dab, 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 dab. Now, we need to add more foundation to the beauty blender because it sucked into her skin. We're going to put a little on that side and then a little on that side. We're going to start over here. Just go.
Oh my God.
Close your eyes. There we go. And now we're just going to like, now let's do this side. Stab. We're going to come from over here, go over there, wipe it, and then boom, 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 boom. Damn it. Now we're gonna just take the extras because, like, we don't want to waste the foundation. Close your eyes.
Be careful, you're gonna cut my eye.
Now take some extras because we don't want your face to be yellow. Stop looking down. Okay, so I think we're done with the foundation. Now, I'm going to do some highlighter. This is a highlighter stick.
I look yellow.
So we just put it right here. Put some right in there. Down the nose. Right there. There and there. Now we're done with your highlighter. Oops. Where did it go? Where'd it go?
I think she did wrong.
I think I did it perfectly.
It's almost going into my eyeball.
I got it.
And you look at my face. Look at my other skin.
So
There's other parts that are not the same as my face. My face looks yellow.
So, anyway, now let's do, wait, what is this again? Like just for some glitter, some shiny face. We're just gonna put this on your cheeks, I guess. Oh, it's like a blush. That's pretty. It's pretty. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now we're gonna do the bronzer. I probably should have done that before I put the blush on, but who cares? It is very pretty. If you guys can see, it is very pretty. Do some bronzer. Guys. But, well, do your duck lips. I think I'm good at this part. Keep doing your duck lips. There. Next, we are going to do, put it in there, your mascara.
Everyone wanted you to know that mascara is dangerous.
It's pretty. There you go. You got big eyelashes. Okay.
Look
Now.
at that beta lady, just like Mom.
Oh gosh. Okay, now we are going to add a bit more sparkle to the cheeks. Cheeks.
I'll do it.
And then, that was fun. Now, we are going to do the eyeshadow, and it has to be based on these colors. So,
Green,
yellow and brown. Green, yellow, and brown.
green, yellow, and white.
And brown. Yeah. You ready for the brown? I think,
I have.
is this even open? Okay, but I'm gonna start with my favorite Sheglam Seafoam palette. See if I can find any of those. Yeah, no, I didn't think I was gonna find any in there.
What about the purple one?
No, you're
Hey,
just...
that's green.
Oh yeah. For this green, that's gonna be the green we're using. It's like a lime green kind of, and we are going to add it to her eyes. Wait, this is blush. Oh. Never mind. We are going to check this palette right here for any of the colors. I found white. I found the white.
Yes, but did you see the green?
No. But I do see brown in here. But there's also a brown in there, so I think we'll just use that. And we are going to be looking for a green now. So let's look in here.
That's mine.
Wait. The perfect green. The perfect green, guys. I found the perfect green.
No, that one's not mine. This one's mine. Imagine I opened it up. It was all a mess.
Okay, we're going to use that one because this one is all broken.
This one's mine.
Okay. Well, we are going to get our eyeshadow brush.
Kyla.
Nah.
You
Now,
disgusting.
we're going to do some green. I think it's this green right here. And this green mixed together. We are going to put that on the eye. Stop it! Scratching your eyeballs. I didn't get enough, apparently.
That's because you have to use one of those.
No. That's, pretty good, I guess. It's progress, guys.
No, it's not.
And now the other eyeballs. Stop it. Now we're going to do the yellow. So,
Did you
yellow,
get any yellow?
not in there. So there's some yellow right here that I'm going to be using.
Kyla, it's too small.
No, it's not.
I can do it. Now,
Just do it to the top. Not mixing.
There.
You are barely getting any.
I know,
yellow.
it's not working.
Because
So-
you have to use one of these.
Fine, I'll try it. Try. Because everybody
No.
can try.
I thought you were doing the yellow.
I'm doing the green. Because the green barely shows up.
Is it working?
Sure.
That means a yes. Told you.
Sure. It looks like brown. It looks brown. Anyway. We're gonna do the other eye.
Thank God. This is why I hate doing makeup.
I love it. This is fun for me.
Well, not for me, because you're making my eyes brown.
Why does that yellow look peach? Let's,
It does not. It looks perfect.
okay. Now we're gonna get some brown from here. Interesting. I'm gonna mix these two colors together. These two colors together. And we're gonna put it on her lips. I'm just kidding. We're gonna put it right
There.
on your eyebrows.
What?
I don't have anywhere else to put it. If I put it in your thingamajiggies, it's gonna ruin
My
it.
eyebrows are already brown.
We're gonna make them more brown today.
They're already enough brown.
So,
I hate doing makeup. My green go away. Am I dreaming?
no,
No.
we're just gonna make your brown nose.
What?
We're just gonna make your nose brown because we have nowhere else to put it.
Put my nose.
No, put the brown. So that's that. Now,
Where's the white?
fine. Okay, now we're gonna do the white. Now some white.
Put some on my cheeks.
Just gonna no. I'm going to also put it on your nose.
What?
And on your lips. There you go. Now,
Why didn't you just get... Wait.
now we're gonna do my favorite lip gloss.
Make me get out of here quick.
It smells like cupcakes. And it smells good during Christmas time. Smells like avocados. Anyways, okay, rub your lips together. I love it. It's amazing. So anyways, below if you think it looks like the fidget.
Please help me.
I think it does.
Please help me.
Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey, it's the Hensley Girls here,
And
and
today,
today,
I'm going to be doing Kyla's makeup.
based
it's-
on the color of the poppet that I
Yeah.
choose out of this big poppet bucket.
Yeah, and pot 2.
So I'm gonna put this on. I'm scared. Okay, Lil, mix up.
You can't smell it. That's
I want
called
to
cheating.
smell it.
That's called cheating.
I don't know what our poppets smell like. You ready?
Yep.
I feel this one. That's not it. I just know it because the there, a hole in the middle. I don't want it to be orange because my face with orange just like doesn't go together. What is this? No, that's the Christmas tree.
Imagine you got the Grinch.
Wait a minute. No, Grinch. No. I could just like feel it. Don't be bad, please. But
it's.
I think I'm gonna go with this. I got a butterfly.
And it's.
I mean, it's better than a Christmas tree.
Oh,
Where was the pop? Wait, let me feel SpongeBob real quick. I'll just make sure I was right. Was I holding the TikTok one?
No.
Okay. Okay, well, I guess my look is a butterfly. Let's get started.
Well, did you even? Let me feel it.
I didn't know what
that
it was.
feels so different.
Yeah, I was looking for the TikTok one, and then I eventually just gave up. So, let's get started with the makeup. No, don't kill me.
So we're gonna start with this.
The foundation.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's getting
that.
cold. It's getting so cold. Okay. No reaction. Oh my gosh,
No. It's already looking.
Okay.
I need to get some more.
Help me. That's a lot, isn't it? Don't put it on my cheek again. Simba. Wow. Lila does not want to go slow. She's like, let's get done already. And we're done. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye. Don't. Oh my gosh, it's really cold.
That's what you did to me. And you didn't say sorry.
You didn't either.
I got it on my finger.
You had it on your face too. I have eye bags. I look like a raccoon. Oh my gosh. You like trying to avoid my eye bags in Randall's black later? Oh my god. Don't get you smell gross. Oh my gosh. Do I have a face mask on? Oh my gosh. It looks like I have a face mask on.
Got your chin.
Are you doing a face mask theme?
No. I'm doing a white theme.
No, Lily, you're making me orange.
Chin.
Don't. Oh my gosh. Lily, you're doing really good. Thank you. Thank you for finding the weird parts.
Your face.
Is orange, yes.
No, yellow.
Oh, fine. Hey! Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
No. Okay, done. Wait. God.
Oh no.
pretty good.
Yeah. Really good.
Because of me. After this, aren't you gonna... After this video, you're probably gonna go wash it off.
Yes. Most definitely. I'm a minion. Oh, gosh.
Wait, where did we go? And then I back.
Oh my god.
Did you just say eye bag?
Eye bag.
That. Okay. You eye bag. Okay.
I'm a shiny minion now.
Wait, do I put this on?
I think you should do the bronzer first.
Okay.
Well, you're putting it on like blush.
Wait. Other side?
I like muscular.
Muscular.
Oh no.
Close your eyes. Never mind. Wait. Gotta do something longer. Stop blinking your eye. You're winking your eye when I touch it. There.
It's so pretty.
I have to wipe something off.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do next? Okay.
It's a lot, don't you think?
Nope. Is it going bad too far?
It's going really good, Layla. Okay. So we're gonna have to do white, right? You're just like, whoa. Oh, no.
This is not white.
It has to be white. Here you go. It's James Charles eye palette. No, it's not. Oh, you forgot my double chin. Oh,
Double chin. Take off your eyes. Wait.
wait, what? How?
Close your eyes.
Why won't it work?
Some more.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wow. What?
You just went.
There goes the beauty blender.
Yeah.
So we're not putting any lip gloss on me?
I am. A
Okay.
different lip gloss.
Oh no. Is it that one because it's white?
Wait! I need it from this. A magical land of Layla's makeup.
Ew, that was inside my mouth. That wasn't on my lips. No.
Gonna be.
I'm gonna pretend.
Pretend color. And the lines.
What's that? She's choking me.
Try to. What? What's so funny?
I don't know. Wait, what the? There's two sides to it? I didn't even notice that.
Look.
Are we done?
Yes. Nope.
Oh, okay.
I have to get some more white on your eyes.
Fine. There's some white right there too. Okay.
Ew, I just saw an eyelash.
Well, I don't. Only in some cases you're supposed to put it under the eye and
Okay. Some on your cheek. Wait, I'm gonna. Not over. Okay, that reminds me. I can still see it. There.
okay.
Hey,
Hello. below if you think it looks like the fidget.
Because I did it. I think I did a good job.
I think she did pretty good. I mean, it's better than mine, but hers was hard. Mine was easy. It was just clear. So maybe next time I should pick a harder one.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.